Hello everyone there, this is Dr. Pramod, the Chief Medical Officer from Witty Charman Group of Companies, Malaysia. This year, we have successfully deployed our WittyViz, the no-cut autopsy solution in St. John's Medical College and Hospital. They have successfully carried out the validation and the proof of concept, and they are very happy with the results. We are conducted a hands-on workshop to the forensic experts of the entire South India, and we want to share this with all of you. As you know, no-cut autopsy is a solution that respects the bereaved family's emotions, that respects the religious feelings, that also gives safety, occupational safety to the forensic staff in case there's infected bodies. It can have much more findings and reduce the number of negative autopsies and the cause of death. And in this progressive one, all of you, those who want the deceased ones to be body to be respected, and I think this technology is going to be a boon. Thank you very much.
What Witty Charman and Digispired India are doing that we provide a whole forensic solution, meaning from virtual TSI itself to virtual autopsy, and then we upgrade it to digital pathology solution. So what is WittyViz digital pathology? That is actually a WittyViz system made for whole slide imaging. Whole slide imaging is actually HD scanning of conventional glass slide to provide digital slides.